RetSoft has developed a free connector for OKI MFPs. It allows you to scan quickly and easily from your MFP into the digital archive of RetSoft. On your OKI MFP, the application opens by pressing the Filing box button. After it opens, you can log in with the desired RetSoft account. In the next window that appears, you can change the name of your document by pressing the Document Name button. You can now enter a new name and press Save to continue. After this, you can set the location of the document in your archive by pressing the Destination Folder button. If the document name and location have been set, you can select if you want to scan in color or in black and white and simplex or duplex. Now press the Scan button to start the scan session. Once the scanning has completed, your document is added to your archive and is easily retrievable by content. Press the Search button and enter a name or keyword and your document will appear immediately. In short, archiving has never been easier. And to make it even more easy, the RetSoft app provides access to your archive from anywhere. Curious? Ask your OKI dealer about the RetSoft connector or visit retsoft.com/OKI.